Good morning, everybody. Yes, hello, this is Sunday. Now, normally Bro and I go away and do something adventurous on a Sunday. Like, as you know, we go away on our Spiz adventure. But today, folks, we're going to do something a bit more mundane. We're going to Ikea in Edinburgh. So we're going to head that way and need to get a chair for Rosie for the bedroom. And I need to get a new picture frame because, as you saw, I stood in my picture frame and it fell and then I stood in it and it's broken. So I need to get a frame, and I've taken the measurements. I'm sure it's what I said it was 60 by 50. Yes, 60 centimeters by 50 for that gorgeous map that I've got, that old map of Scotland. So we're waiting on Bro. I don't know whose car we're taking. It's a bit of a who's going to drive. Normally Bro drives the long distances because I kind of tend to lose concentration a wee bit and sometimes on these long journeys, and I need a nap at 3 o'clock. So we shall see what occurs. We'll see whose car we'll take. Yeah, probably it is my turn to drive. I must admit, actually, I should probably drive. I'll try and drive. Is that Rosie coming across the road now? I think, is that Rosie? Oh, I better get the heater on because she'll go mad. She'll be cold. Right, anyway, we shall see you, folks. See you on the other side off wherever we're going to be. Right, folks, we've arrived and Bro's already bullying me.
Yes!
He's bullying me already with snow. He's throwing snow at me. So it looks like we're taking my car today for my turn to drive. So you can be the co-driver, Bro. You're the map boy today, right?
Hey?
You're the map boy.
I need no maps.
Well, I do. You have to.
What side's Rosie on?
Rosie will be in the back probably, right? Well, it's happened. Matt Boy here has got us lost.
You're delighted that we're lost.
No, I'm not delighted because we're wasting bloody petrol here. So where have you taken us, Bro? Where are we?
Missed the slip road.
Yeah, we missed it. But Bro missed the slip road. He had one job to do and he's got us here. We're almost in Stirling now, folks, unfortunately. So
no, I don't think so. Need no maps.
Almost. So it's happened, folks. It never fails. We always get lost.
We'll still be on time though. 11:30 said. 11:30. Need no maps.
Right, folks, here we are. We have arrived at Ikea now after a very stressful half-hour driving. Bro took us. I'm going to go over here and talk about it. Bro took us the wrong way. He had to take us via Stirling almost, man. So absolute pure disaster. But we've arrived here. It's about 5:30. We said 5:30.
I do apologise. I did make a mistake there. I do apologise. It was wet conditions.
It always happens, though, doesn't it, bro? When
Yes.
but we just can't read the maps. There's something wrong with us. We can't do it. What's just making our genes that we can't read maps? Anyway, here it is. The blue and yellow home of flat pack consumerism, folks.
Money to
Here
spend.
it is.
What have you got to spend?
And I forgot my wallet. It's a disaster, folks. I forgot my wallet. Bro's the money king today. He's going to have to lend me some money until.
One meatball.
Yeah, honestly. Folks, look, it's AstroTurf. The fake stuff started already. Look, it's fake. It's actually fake grass. Not real. Right, here we go. We're going in. Look at the crowds going in, man. Look at it. Here we go.
Is that the material you can get it in?
Yeah, I saw the colours that's in. You must get this in the leather as well.
Yes.
Folks, I've got something's happened to my hand. Look, I've got a wooden hand. Sorry, folks. Let's start that one. Snake around me, look, it's real. Right, folks, in the market hall now, this is the bit where you buy things you don't really need. You see something, you go, oh, that's good, I'll have that. So, but it's actually chock-a-block here, folks, with trolleys. It's like New York City. Anyway, do I need these? Who knows? Just buy them anyway.
It's that much coffee.
I'll try the desk now.
Oh, look, that's like the things that Ikea does.
There's our trolley, folks, in.
Should we fancy rental? Kitchen
I
rental?
don't know, we're going to put them up somewhere. Got some chalk for us, so I can go
Oh, right, okay, for splitting.
put on the pavement somewhere, make a
Right,
mural
okay,
or something.
yes, right, okay, good stuff.
Guess how much they were?
£1.
Yeah.
Right, folks, so we spent £142. £142. But mind you, got a good chair, though, got a good chair, that's what we wanted. So we got a good chair, and then just lots of other bits and pieces. So we're going to go get something to eat now. I can't remember I parked the car. Ah, jeez, now where do we park it? Was it over here? Where did we find it? Where did I put it? Oh, God knows. Yeah, I think that was a bit further away than this. Hang on. It's just so busy here. Like, cars flying around everywhere, man. It's just a nightmare, right? Because you can't take your trolley over to your car, so I've got to take the car back over there. And I can't remember I parked. I've lost the car. Well, folks, I've been left in charge of the seat. I'll give you off the area down there now. As I said, I forgot my wallet. I can't believe it, man. I forgot my wallet. Absolute disaster. So I'm paying for all the stuff. So I need Rosie paid for it, but I'm gonna have to pay her back, obviously. And I think Bro's going to get the lunch today, and I said I would pay for that. So even though I drove, I'm paying. What's going on here? I drove petrol, and I'm having to pay for the tea as well. Fake Louis Vuitton. I've got your cardigan on. Louis Vuitton. I've got your cardigan on, and also fake Queen. Fake Queen. You know what I mean? You're all dressed up like a tangerine. Listen to my songs on SoundCloud, you'll know what I'm going on about. There we go. Louis Vuitton, I've got your cardigan on. Fantastic. Photograph. Louis Vuitton, I've got your cardigan on. Louis Vuitton, I've got your cardigan on. Louis Vuitton, I've got your cardigan. Like a tangerine, Converse shoes, Louis Vuitton. When she goes out, she puts her headphones on. Oh, she's a fake queen. Looking like something from a magazine. A Marley jeans, Gucci shoes, living a life with nothing to lose. Oh, she's a good drive. This Bismobile. This folks, Bro's taken over driving the Bismobile for just now because I was getting a bit tired, must admit. Feeling a bit tired. It's come up for 4 o'clock now. Definitely past my nap time, so I'm just full program. Drive the last couple of miles to the house. So thank you, bro.
Need no maps.